12-year-old Niharika's world is divided between books and soil. Each morning she comes to this all-girls school in Unnao, a satellite city of Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh.
मैं कक्षा 5 की छात्रा हूँ और जब से मुझे पता चला तब से मैं यही पढ़ रही हूँ। ये मेरा पहला स्कूल है और मुझे यहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर, खेती बाड़ी और कंप्यूटर चलाना पसंद है।
The Good Harvest calls itself an agri-based school with a curriculum that ensures learning is not abstract but alive,
इसमें कोई मेन किसी को दिख रहा है?
shaped by observation, touch and traditional wisdom.
नहीं, सारे एक जैसे ही हैं।
Here, girls enter classrooms that don't just rely on books. They learn as much to sow, to save seeds, and to understand the biodiversity that surrounds them.
अभी तुम लोग को इतना गड्ढा करना है।
Since 2016, farming has been a part of the daily curriculum. For many, it is their first step into education and into a world where agricultural knowledge is valued alongside literacy.
When we talk of dreams, girls don't have dreams, and that is because they have not seen someone, like achieve much in life. So they would do household chores, get married at an early age. And I think due to that, they think that even if they dare to dream, nothing much can happen. So that's what we are trying to do, that let them explore, let them see what is out there, build their confidence in many ways so that they can dare to dream.
In Unnao's agrarian heartland, like in most of rural India, tradition has long drawn the boundaries, deciding who learns, who works, and who makes choices. Men hold autonomy while women are kept at the margins. In agriculture, where the participation of women is now at almost 80%, they are still denied land or ownership rights. In fact, there are more women workers in rural India than in urban centers, Niti Aayog confirms.
In rural communities like Unnao, women are deeply engaged in agriculture work. They are the one who is doing all the agriculture works, but they like sowing, weeding, harvesting crops, and managing livestock. Yet they are mostly seen as a helpers and not as a farmers, which they deserve.
For young girls, this ingrained disparity means education is often the first casualty.
The literacy rate in Unnao for women is around 54%, and overall literacy rate is around 74%. Where if we compare boys and girls education, boys have the access to better education, and the literacy level for boys is around 70%.
Yet, in quiet corners of these villages, the patterns are beginning to shift.
तो जब हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं,
For Niharika, whose family comprises dairy and crop farmers, the school is a bridge. She has been here since the beginning, arriving each day in a shared van with other girls from nearby villages. A first-generation school student, here she gets to experiment, ask questions and share knowledge.
ये पीनट का सीड है। हम लोग ये बच्चों को बांटते हैं कि वो इसको देख के सीखे या कैसे इसको उगाते हैं।
A math problem can begin with counting seeds, a science lesson with watching insects at work. Learning comes alive through farm walks and daily tasks.
हम लोग इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथ, सोशल स्टडी और सस्टेनेबिलिटी की भी क्लासेस लेते हैं और एग्रीकल्चर भी सीखते हैं। अभी जल्दी में हम लोग ने जो पुराने सीड्स थे हम लोग ने उनको इकट्ठा करके रखा है। मेरी एक दादी हैं जिससे मैं सवाल करती रहती हूँ कि ये कौन सा बीज है, कैसे उगाते हैं, ये कौन सा है। देसी बीज के बारे में मैंने पता किया था, तो देसी बीज वो होते हैं जो हमारे दादा परदादा से उगाए हुए हैं और अब हम लोग उगा रहे हैं।
Niharika has now built a small seed bank with her classmates, sorting and preserving traditional varieties.
पहले हम लोग ने जो पुरानी सीड्स थी उनको लिया, मतलब साफ सब किया और उनके बारे में जाना, वो कैसी सीड है, कैसे लगाते हैं, कैसे क्या करते हैं और फिर ये भी पता किया कौन से सीज़न में उगते हैं। तो हम लोग ने ये अलमारी टाइप की थी और इसमें हम लोग ने छोटे छोटे डिब्बों में रख दिया।
Niharika's father stands firmly behind her, a rare support in an environment where girls' education has been long considered unnecessary.
अब शिक्षा तो ज़रूरी है ही, इसीलिए जो है भेजते हैं। मैं भविष्य के लिए यही कामना करता हूँ कि जो है सही से पढ़ाई लिखाई करे। हो सकता है अब हम तो कुछ नहीं कर पाए हैं, शायद बच्चे ही कुछ आगे करके जो है कुछ करें।
A few kilometers away, another experiment unfolds. Here, the challenge is not schooling, but livelihood. Across 55 villages along the Ganga belt, groundnuts are grown twice a year, an important harvest in the region's cropping cycle. Women labor in the fields, but for decades, they have been invisible in the economic chain. For those like 28-year-old Pooja, however, change arrived not through a classroom, but on a factory floor.
हाँ, पहले शुरुआत में हस्बैंड भी कह रहे थे कि मतलब नहीं जाना है, ये हम खुद अपना कोई कहेगा वाइफ से काम करवा रहे। हमने ये बोला कि आजकल का जनरेशन है, हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों लोग कर रहे हैं, कोई कुछ कर रहा, कोई कुछ कर रहा, कोई बैठने वाला जॉब कर रहा, कोई कुछ कर रहा है। तो उनको समझाया, तब वो आने के लिए राज़ी हुए हैं।
Pooja is part of Nutty Village, a social enterprise that turns groundnuts into value-added products like nut butters while giving women a role in the processing and value chain.
इनिशियल हाँ जैसे ये आए थे कि जब हमने जाना चालू किया तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि गांव से आकर के सीधे वो शहर को आ जाएं। वो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर कि हमारे साथ में हम कौन है, कहाँ से आए, किस तरह की चीज़ें, ये एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था जो कि हमें टाइम लगा। बहुत सारे उनके साथ में हमने ग्रुप डिस्कशंस किए, एक्टिविटीज़ करी, अवेयरनेस इवेंट्स टाइप के किए उनके साथ में टू बिल्ड द ट्रस्ट फैक्टर। और उसके साथ में हमने जो SSG ग्रुप हैं उनको फॉर्मलाइज भी किया। और यहाँ पर हमने फिर जब 2-3 महिलाओं को इन्वॉल्व किया तो फिर उसके बाद जब उनके थ्रू वो रीच बढ़ी तो अब और का पार्टिसिपेशन कि हम में भी इंक्लूड होना है, हमको भी यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट करना, चीज़ें करनी। तो इट टेक्स टाइम, हमें 2 साल इस चीज़ को करने में लगे।
Every morning, after finishing her household chores, Pooja joins her self-group fellow members. The factory marks a turning point for each woman. Today, Pooja is on top of every step of processing, from roasting to packaging, skills that were once far beyond her reach.
थोड़ा यहाँ आते हैं तो मेरा दिन पार हो जाता, अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि हमारे अंदर हौसला होता है कि हम ये कर ले जाएंगे। ये है कि मतलब कोई भी कार्य करने से पहले थोड़ा डर महसूस होता। जब वो कार्य करने लगो तो डर नहीं महसूस होता है कि हम ये कार्य तो कर ही लेंगे। मतलब ये बाहर का माहौल, आना जाना, मतलब भैया लोग से बात करना, चीत करना, मतलब ये कॉन्फिडेंस हुआ कि हम कहीं भी जाके दूसरी भी जगह जाएंगे तो वो हिचकिचाएंगे नहीं कोई से बात करने में या काम करने में।
Over time, the enterprise has helped organize farmers into clusters, gaining recognition from the UP government and opening pathways to larger markets. For women, it has meant recognition and opportunity.
This is something where they're moving beyond the farm gate into the value addition chain, where men are mainly the key takers, or they are the one who is leading this front. And together, by embedding agriculture into daily life livelihood, these models normalize women as a leader in general in farming.
Although ripples of change are slowly beginning to emerge, it is not going to be an overnight transformation. While the more progressive families have started supporting gender-neutral efforts, the majority remain indifferent, even skeptical.
Caste and gender hierarchies are very deep-rooted in society, and they cannot be dismantled overnight. What makes hyper-local markets like Good Harvest or Nutty Village effective is that they don't try to fight with these hierarchies heads-on. Instead, they work around them strategically.
A hyper-local market would ensure it is not positioned as an external intervention. These organizations have grown from within the rhythms of everyday life, and perhaps that is why they work.
I think from the very beginning, you know, when the parents were hesitant to send the girls to school because they did not see that it was important for them, we thought we would keep as much obstacle for them as possible. So we arranged for pick and drop. So that was there, and once that happened, I think the parents were okay. We've also noticed that because we had a kind of a model farm where we grew multiple crops, farmers around have also started doing that. You know, whereas earlier when we had come here, we found that they were into monocropping.
Perhaps the most transformational shift that is beginning to emerge is in the perception of farming itself for the younger generation.
It makes farming really aspirational for the young girls, and it inspires them to go and attend the classes, and they don't see agriculture as a drudgery then and as a burden on them. They see as a source of knowledge, as a source of livelihood for them.
हम लोग इनका नींबू पानी बना के पीते हैं, अचार बनाते हैं.
For Niharika and Pooja, learning is confidence. It is an agency.
सबको पढ़ना लिखना आना चाहिए, सबको पढ़ना चाहिए.
उससे क्या होता है?
बड़े होंगे, पैसे कमाएंगे.
उसके अलावा
कोई अगर कुछ भी कहता है तो जवाब दे पाएंगे. जो मैंने अभी सिखाया मैं बड़े होके और दूसरे बच्चों को सिखाऊंगी, फिर वो दूसरे को सिखाएंगे.
360 के साथ हो जाता है डेली का. मेरी बच्ची तो कह रही है अभी से पुलिस बनेंगे मम्मी, ये बनेंगे, तो जो वो बनेगी हम उसको बनाएंगे. ये मेरी ख्वाहिश है.
Thanks for watching Eco India. If you like the story, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Scroll.in on YouTube.